Hi there, I'm Jackie and I usually use sea glass to create art. Well, today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. It's a really quick and easy craft that you can do with kids, and it uses pebbles instead of sea glass. You could use sea glass if you want, but I love using pebbles to make these things. This is a little turtle, I'll zoom in there, made with pebbles. And it's the sweetest little thing, really easy to do. So today I'm going to show you how to make that. And join me for my next video when I'm going to show you another pebble art project with feet. This one is so much fun. So as you can see here, I have one turtle that I've done on a rock. And I've got another smaller turtle with different colored shells done on another rock. Now the project I'm going to show you today is going to be 3 tiny little turtles walking on this piece of driftwood. So what do you need? The first thing you need to do is go to the beach. I know that's such a hardship going to the beach, but I mean, we have to sacrifice where we can, right? So at the beach, find yourself a little piece of driftwood. If you'd rather put it on a rock, you can, as you can see where I have with these ones. And you need 3 rocks that will be the main body of the turtle. So here I've gotten 3 rocks, and I like to arrange them largest, medium, smallest on my little piece of driftwood. Then you need 3 rocks per heads. And keep in mind what you're picking out when you're at the beach. You need 3 little triangular shaped rocks for tails. I should put them in order here. Biggest, medium, smallest. And you need 4 feet for each of your turtles. And you'll need some clear silicone. I use this clear silicone. This is Mono Ultra Bath and Kitchen that dries clear. Make sure it says dries clear on it. This stuff goes on white, but then it'll dry clear. And I always like to have a little bit of a stick here. I use these barbecue skewers to clean away any excess silicone. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a dab of silicone onto the back of my turtles. I like to do the main turtle, or the main body of the turtle first. I got 1, 2, 3 little turtles. I have 3 little heads. And this takes a while to set, so if you don't put it in exactly the right spot, you can play around with your turtle heads and your feet and just shift them around till they're just in the right spot that you want. There we go, and then I'm going to put my tails on. These are just other little rocks. So as you can see, depending on what you get at your beach, you can use all sorts of different colored rocks, different colored pebbles. You can make them all the same. It's up to you. The one thing that I do like to do when I'm creating my little turtles is just to add a bit of perspective. Kind of like to have them, sometimes the tail is over here, sometimes it's over there. And when I'm putting on the feet, I try to get tiny little pebbles where, whoops, the back feet are slightly bigger than the front feet. There we go. Back feet there. And I don't like them to be too symmetrical because that way it kind of looks like the turtles are walking. And it's kind of like a papa turtle, a mama turtle, and a baby turtle. And this is something that kids could have a lot of fun with because you can take them to the beach. You could make one yourself and then show your kids, and then, or your nieces and nephews, somebody that you want to do a little craft project with, and say, okay, go to town and pick out your own turtle body, your own turtle head, whatever you want for a base, whether it's another rock or a piece of wood. Do you want 1 turtle, 3 turtles, 5 turtles? You could go to town. And it's all stuff that you've gathered at the beach. And there you go. Whoops, it's sticking to my finger. There you go. My turtles are finished. You could even, if you want it, put eyes on the turtles. It's up to you. And I've often included turtles in my sea glass art, just as another feature, something different to look at if you're looking for some details in the art. And I've used all sorts of different rocks just to give different features of turtles. But sometimes a turtle just standing on its own like that, sitting on the windowsill, is really sweet, and it's always an interesting conversation piece. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope you can get to the beach to create a little turtle art piece. Thanks very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your time at the beach. Until next time, happy sea glass hunting!